Hey, Max here. I'm creative engineer at Zoo, and I'll show how to create the very first project. So, whenever you open the app for the first time, make sure it's a desktop application because the web app would not support multi-project. You can only have multiple projects in the desktop application. And the first thing to check is where all those projects are stored. And to do so, you should click here and then define where would you like to store all your project, either desktop or any other folder. And then every new project you create will be stored within this folder. And then you can either create entirely new empty project to start doing stuff from scratch, and then either use point and click experience like in every other CAD, or you use the Zookeeper agent with the chat to create geometry using prompts. To go back to projects, you either click Go Home or hit this blue button. The cool thing is you don't have to start with empty project. There is a big library of CAD samples, and you can start working from any of those. It's a long list, and it will only grow over time. And if you pick any of those, if you're lucky enough to have like what you need already in the samples, then you can start with parametric model and just adjust parameters instead of doing everything from scratch. So if you have any further questions on how to create new projects or how to use the sample gallery, please leave the comment either here or in the X or in our Discord channel, and we are happy to help you around. Thank you for watching. See you.